Hello everybody, this is a review for a mechanical keyboard KOORUI MK082. Bought it from Amazon around 46 euros, maybe 50 USD dollars, depends on where you live. What came in the box are the following. You have a user manual, right? You have the keyboard itself and USB Type-C cable, 1.8 meters, and you have also key extractor if you want to customize your keys, right? Also you have these keys, red, blue and brown. The red is the muted one, no sounds, and the brown ones is a little bit clicky and the blue ones is the loudest. What you have on this keyboard is the blue ones, right? Let me show you how it sounds. And that's how it sounds. Now the build quality is plastic. It's fine. It's nothing fancy. It's not metal. I mean, for 50 bucks it's okay. You have 3 ways to connect this keyboard: through USB or through Bluetooth. You can connect it to 3 different devices through Bluetooth, and you can also connect it through the included 2.4G dongle. They call it the Wi-Fi. Alright, so let's start with the dongle one. It's the faster one. Well, I already connected with my PC, so it's automatically connected. When you put it for the first time, you're gonna press function and R button, right? You press it for 3 seconds and automatically will be connected through wireless or the dongle. For the Bluetooth, as I said, you have 3 channels. You choose whether Windows or Mac. I'm connected Bluetooth on my Mac. You put it on Bluetooth mode, right? You press function and you choose one of the 3 channels that you have: Q or W or E, right? You have 3. So for example, you can use Q for a tablet, W for a phone, and E for a Mac or any device you like. You press function, E, I think, yeah, that's it's connected. Super easy, super fast, nothing complicated. It has built-in battery, around 4 or 5 days. I mean, it's good. Regular uses, at least 5 hours. I use it at least 5 hours in a day, right? Let's move on to the RGB. I'm not so fan of RGB, right? But I mean, it's good to have it. For RGB's lovers or fans, you have 18 mode of RGB, right? 18 mode, and you can change the color of the mode. Press function, right arrow, boom, you have another color, right? 8 colors, 18 RGB mode, as I said. There's plenty of them, interactive and stuff. It's amazing. I mean, I'm not an RGB fan myself, but I found it interesting and fun sometimes. And what also, though, for people who like to customize each button, there's 3 modes, you know, 3 modes. You press function, 1 or 2 or 3. You can customize each mode or each layout as you like. For example, let me show you how to do that. You press function, this button on the corner to start recording. After that, you choose what colors you would like or what buttons you would like to activate on this layout. By pressing multiple times on a single key, you can change the color of the button or other button you would like to put in this layout, right? And then when you finish, you press function, the same, and you have your layout saved. You can switch between them, 1, 2, 3, you know, 3. I think that's pretty amazing, right? For 50 bucks, that's good. I mean, I'm doing this video because I'm happy with this product. I think I've covered everything that I've known about this keyboard. I hope you like this video, and thank you. See you in another video.
So, das ist das Gerät in Action mit der Taste Fn. Ist hier. Und den Pfeiltasten kann man die Lichtmodi nochmal durchgehen. Ich mache sie aber erstmal was heller, weil das ist die niedrigste Stufe gewesen. Ah, jetzt schallert es auch. So. Jetzt kann man hier verschiedene Lichtmodi durchgehen. Ah, das ist natürlich, der knallt richtig. Hier ist alles geboten. Aber wie gesagt, rot, orange, es gibt noch weiß, lila. Also man kann alles mal durchgehen. Das Licht an der Seite bleibt allerdings immer konstant rot, egal welchen Lichtmodi man auswählt. Genau, so sieht das aus. Ich finde es schick.
Also ich höre keinen Unterschied raus. Gut, das sind 34 €, da darf man nicht allzu viel erwarten, aber das fuckt mich doch ziemlich ab.